load your chlorine feeder, you need to leave the pump running. Take your bucket of chlorine tablets, open the top, fill the chlorine feeder, open the chlorine, the adjustment valve on the side. That way you can get all the air out of the system. If you leave the air in here, it'll airlock, and then it won't actually get flow and won't put chlorine into the system. Once you have water coming out of the top, you can put your lid back on. Tighten it up. So these chlorine tablets, you're going to need to come out here and check them every week. How long they last is really going to depend on the water flow to the chlorine feeder. And that's just going to be adjusted based off of your actual readings that you get at the pool. So there's not going to be a setting that we can say, oh, this is how your pool is going to run. It's going to run differently at different times of the year, and you're going to need to check and adjust this based off your chlorine output. So in order to adjust the chlorine, like if you need more chlorine, let's say you're at 1 ppm, right? So you just come to this knob and you would adjust it until you see this indicator go up. If you're at 1 ppm, you wouldn't want to make a drastic adjustment. You would want to make like something like maybe 1/4 of an inch or something, but you don't want to do too big of an adjustment. So you literally just turn this dial and then you can see the flow indicator going up and down.